Hello everyone. If you're interested in some products or items on Temu, here's a step-by-step guide on how to save it for later purchases. So first of all, go ahead, open up that Temu App Store, Google Play. Make sure that you update it to the latest version. Now, after you update it, open it up, and as you can see right here, this is official website. Official app. Go ahead to the product that you like. Let's have for example this product. And what I'm gonna do in order to save it, I can add to cart, right? By saving it, right? I can add it to cart and add the model, and I can get back to it later. Or you could just go ahead to any product, right? And you're gonna see right here the sharing button, and you can copy the link and share it to your WhatsApp, right? And that way you're gonna be able to get back to it in your private messages or WhatsApp or whatever, okay? And you can, let me go back to the Temu, right? You can copy the link or share it across social media. Again, I'm gonna copy it, right? And I'm gonna add it to my notes, right? This is easy if I wanted to get back to it later, right? And that product exactly. So basically that applies to all products. You can add it to cart, and if you want to access your cart, you're gonna see right here the green circle in free shipping. Click on it and you're gonna see all your favorite items saved right there. So this is like an option that allows you to basically save that item at your cart. So let's read on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.